because towards your left, three your right, but because it's for when you're coming in, so if you're going that way, you count that on your side and that on that side. So we're going opposite to it.
Oh, yeah, can you please explain that again, bro? Division right there, ladies and gentlemen.
DL Marine Group, brother. No, Captain 10. There'll be another pair around too, George. You can drop them all the time and just be some brand new ones. So for your low tide, is it just like fucking mud flat, and then there's just this little channel here?
forget your family, yeah. Don't forget your roots, my friend. The ones who gave you, the ones who brought you here. Don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. Don't forget your family, yeah. Don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. Oh, so Jessie thought that she was all that. Thought she was heading on the right track. Mates at the gate as she walked away, never to look back again. So she lost what she knows and what all is right, for a brand new image in a world of lies. But the days were numbered, relationships suffered. She lost the faith of all those who matter. So don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. Don't forget your family.